and welcome to Bella's Credit Corner. My name is Bella, and here on my YouTube channel, we focus on credit, finances, and money management. So in today's video, I want to talk about the new feature that Apple is going to roll out on their Apple credit card. Now, before I jump into this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my future videos are posted on YouTube. So Apple is getting ready to roll out a program where you can finance various Apple products such as Macs, iPads, and AirPods at 0% interest when you use your Apple credit card to make the purchase. Now, depending upon the price of the item, the repayment plan will be anywhere from 6 months to 12 months. Now, this program is similar to the one that they rolled out last year in regards to iPhones. So last year, Apple did roll out a program where you can finance your iPhone at 0% interest for 24 months if you use your Apple credit card to make the purchase. So these two new programs are essentially Apple's way to, one, encourage current Apple credit card holders to use their card more often, and secondly, it's a way to attract and entice new customers to apply for this credit card. So now let's jump right into what features and benefits you can expect if you do decide to apply for this credit card. Now, Apple did launch their own credit card back in the summer of 2019. Now, this card is in partnership with Goldman Sachs, and it is essentially a 3-2-1 cashback credit card, meaning you can earn 3%, 2%, or 1% cash back on different categories. Now, here's a screenshot from Apple's website. So as you can see, you can earn 3% cash back when you make any purchases directly from Apple, whether it's in-store or online, or when you use your Apple card with Apple Pay at these following merchants. So Nike, Uber, Uber Eats, Walgreens, and at any T-Mobile stores. Now, keep in mind this list of merchants where you can earn 3% can change, so keep an eye out for any updates from Apple. Now, you can also earn 2% cash back whenever you use Apple Pay, and then you can earn 1% cash back on all other purchases, meaning whenever you have to swipe your card at a store. So with the Apple credit card, there is no annual fee, so that is definitely a plus. Now, in regards to the cash back, you essentially can have the cash back deposited into your Apple Pay account on a daily basis. So essentially, once your purchase posts to your account, the cash back is then deposited into your Apple Pay account. So this feature is very unique because most times when it comes to earning cash back on a credit card, you have to wait for your credit card statement to be issued in order to receive the cash back that you earned the month before. Now, should you consider applying for this credit card? Well, it really depends. If you are a loyal Apple user and you tend to make purchases from them every year or every other year, and you can benefit from the 0% interest financing, then yes, this may be a card you may want to consider. Now, for me personally, I would not put any expensive purchases on a card like this because it does not offer any benefits such as purchase protection or extended warranty. Now, if you want to learn more about these key benefits, I will put a link to a video that I did previously here and in the description box below. There are some alternative credit cards you could consider instead of the Apple credit card. So Chase has the Chase Freedom and the Freedom Unlimited. Now, with these credit cards, as a new customer, you would qualify for 0% interest financing on new purchases up to 15 months. And you would still get cash back on these cards. And these credit cards do offer extended warranty and purchase protection. And these cards do not have an annual fee. So I would actually prefer to get one of these cards instead of the Apple credit card. Now, if you have the Apple credit card, let me know in the comment section below if you love this card. Do you have buyer's remorse? I would love to hear your experience with this credit card. Now, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.